Liam, Lily, Daisy and Jake are camping with the outdoor club.
Right, everyone. We must put up the tents before it gets dark.
Can we collect the firewood for the campfire?
Yes, okay.
Daisy gets a text message.
Daisy, you mustn't use your mobile phone when we're camping.
Use it only in an emergency.
Later. They are trying to light a campfire.
Why can't we light the campfire? The firewood is wet. It must be dry, Lily.
There isn't any dry firewood anywhere. Well, now what?
I'm hungry and we can't cook anything.
Daisy is talking on her phone again.
Daisy, put the phone down and come here.
Wait a minute.
20 minutes later, a pizza delivery man arrives.
Hey, what's this? It's an emergency pizza.